Close to My Heart shimmer brushes are great tools to add shimmer and shine to any project. They come in 6 different colors, which I've got right here to show you. I'll turn them because you can tell right on the lid. Here we have our candy apple, our mint, sugar plum, gold, black, and clear. And to help you see what they look like, I've just created a little sample here. I'm going to lift it up so you can see some of that shine. On the top here we have our sugar plum, then mint, gold, which is really great on top of things or by itself, candy apple. This is our clear, and you can see how beautiful that is just to add on top of just about anything to add some shimmer and shine, and our black. I've even shown you a few examples in action that I will pull right in. First of all, we have this great butterfly that I stamped in black ink and then just colored in with the Sugar Plum shimmer brush. This next one is candy apple. Same thing, stamped in black, then colored it with our candy apple shimmer brush. I have a mint one. And one that I colored just in mint and sugar plum. And lastly, I have one that I've colored in markers, and I wanted to give you an example of how you can add some shimmer and shine on top of markers. We'll use our gold shimmer brush, shake it up before you use it, and this one's already been used, so all the ink is already in the lid and ready to use, or in the brush and ready to use. And I have a card that I prepared ahead of time that we'll add it to, but I wanted to show you this fun other way to use a shimmer brush, just as a nice little wash in the background. And I would just adhere my butterfly right on top of there for this cute card. Now before we finish up, I just want to show you how your shimmer brush arrives. It comes in some plastic packaging, and you'll notice it has a little yellow ring. The first thing you'll do when you receive it is unscrew the brush, take out the ring, and put it back together. When you screw it back together, there's a little part that punctures the well so that that shimmer ink can make its way to the top on the brush. So once you've done that, you'll pull off the lid, shake it up. You always want to shake it before you use it to mix that shimmer in with the ink, and then you want to squeeze with your fingers right here on the well until you see the ink and the shimmer begin to make its way up the pen to where it's ready to come out the brush and be used. And that is exactly how you use it to make beautiful projects like this one. So enjoy playing with your Close to My Heart shimmer brush.